Alright, soldier. Mark a drop point for your team.
Where are we going?
You've got gas closing in
Over
fast.
there by that fire station. Got a nice bunker right there.
Air station?
Yeah, they got a bunker right there. You get all the stuff we need in that area.
Go to green.
Copy, bro.
Alright. Don't turn back, bro. Don't turn back. First one's here.
Targets are
Got a
up.
gun.
Get to
Get
work.
ready.
You're being tracked by an enemy team. Stay sharp.
I got a Rambo's arrow.
Nice.
Sniper rifle here.
Nobody came here, right? You see anyone? Nobody, huh?
Nobody yet.
Or nobody.
That's good. We got 5,000 basically.
Marking LMG.
Yeah!
1,000.
Found some armor.
Oh, I think we got enough. Let me see. 6, 7.
Body armor here.
I got 2 ammo boxes.
Go get a loadout. Oh, somebody took the helicopter? Oh, no. Okay. Yes. Yeah, I thought somebody took the helicopter. There's a threat on me.
Yeah,
Still yellow.
I'm about to get loaded.
Cash money. The boys on.
Dropping money over here. Oh, where you at?
Under cash here.
7K.
Under cash here. Loadout drop headed your way. Gas is moving.
Ooh, what? Someone just got disconnected. Just wanna go here.
Moving. I'm moving.
There's no one on that side.
You guys have enough
And
ammo?
plus,
Gonna drop this
it
ammo.
hasn't been looted.
Okay, let's go.
Does anyone need this? We're in safe zone. Watch
Are we
for
using a
enemy.
chopper? We don't. Okay.
Activated the enemy tracking. Good work. All right, best.
I don't know. One sniping.
Enemies in the area! I'm taking fire! Taking a stick.
I took off his armor. Another one. Headshot one. This one's low.
I down him.
Contact! Target right here.
Yeah, I'm gonna push the other one. Gonna go under the bridge.
There's one in this house.
Move it.
And the rest are up there.
Mark the target.
Oh, down him.
I don't see the other guy over here.
Got another one right there.
Move
Okay,
it.
I'm going. I'm pushing. Okay. Just pin the enemy if you see them.
Tango front.
What's this? You got one.
Okay, down two over here. There's one more.
Mark the new safe zone.
Team wipe. Good shit, man. Good shit. Nice teamwork. Oh, you have a new loadout?
Yeah. He's not there or what?
It's a team wipe.
Oh, team wipe. Oh,
Yeah.
nice. I downed so many though. I didn't get no kills.
It's good. It's so good. It's a teamwork. You get them distracted.
Yeah. Yeah, it's all good. They took our helicopter though.
Enemy UAV
Yeah,
overhead.
nice, nice. Oh, I thought you you blew their helicopter.
they took it.
You took a helicopter. That's okay. Oh, is this first wave gonna be fast?
We got people over there.
You need to keep moving. Gonna be fast.
SMG located.
They're nice MG.
Good.
Disregard order. Losing ground.
Anyone want a
Enemy
machete?
UAV overhead.
Is that your loadout?
Nah.
Get to the safe zone.
I'm gonna give you some money so you can get
Plunder cash here.
the UAV. I'm gonna pop it.
Friendly UAV overhead.
Body armor here.
They're at stadium.
Moving out.
Ooh, he's heading out.
Moving position.
It's up to you guys. I'll follow you.
I'm moving.
Oh, he's on top.
Tango front. Copy that.
I don't have a sniper. Okay, I'm gonna push you guys to snap.
Nah, they bounced back.
Yeah,
I'm heading with you.
I don't see them in my. Oh, there's one on the top. The one sniping. Do you see them?
Nah, I don't. They're inside. They're in the middle.
Yeah, they're on top of me.
Target right here. Mark the target.
Down one.
Nice, nice.
Got one. Oh,
Oh
what?
yeah, if no llegaron.
I'm down, I'm down.
Oh shit. Sniper.
Yeah.
I didn't see that. Hold on 1 second.
Come on, come on, come on. No, he's right there. Fuck, bro.
Parte, ninguno batió ninguno.
Ah shit. Nice, nice, nice. Woo! Let's go. Good job, man. Good job.
Teammate redeploying.
Oh, we're heading back.
I'm plating up, plating up.
Oh, y'all got him?
Yeah, purple got him.
Where's that sniper?
Is it a team wipe, purple? You can go back to your loadout.
Nah, it's in the.
Oh, it's in this. It's inside.
Yeah.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Does anyone need this?
Enemy UAV overhead.
In my head. Oh,
Good thing I
shit.
won that gulag. Someone up
Enemies in the area.
there.
Marking target location.
Gas is inbound. Enemy
Gulaggers,
UAV
they don't
overhead.
have a weapon.
Contact. Get to the safe zone.
He's stuck, he's stuck. I just run away.
Yeah, he went inside.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Oh yeah, he's dead.
Nice, nice. Oh, they have a loot. They have like a airstrike. Oh shit! There's more. There's more.
Really shoot.
Beyond that point.
No, he's right there. Right in front. There you go.
Going out.
Oh shit! You got him? You got him?
Yeah, run, cause there's a field is going. Oh shit, you have enough.
I have enough.
Don't die, brother.
There's a buy station there, or the closest one?
There's one in hospital. One in the. It's in the open. The one you're going to.
There's one in the hospital.
Yeah.
Oh shit!
Aid station marked.
Enemy UAV.
There's two.
overhead.
There's two. Just run.
Ah shit, man. I didn't see that guy behind me.
Good job, boys. Oh wait, you're still alive. I mean, he has
Good up, Gulag.
Sit tight, mate. You'll be out there soon enough. Ready. Get yourself sorted. You're up.
He's on
next.
top. To your left.
Nice.
Ooh, nice.
You win this fight and you return to the front line. But if you lose, you're done here. Sort them out or capture the objective.
Oh shit!
We're bringing you home.
My mouse got stuck in the keyboard. I don't have enough space.
Feel while you're back. They have the cash.
Halo.
Oh, circle's too small now.
Does anyone need this?
You can get that or.
Your teammate has been designated as a high-value target. Guard them at all costs.
Oh, they just blew it.
Lost that one. Come back stronger next time.
GG. GG, guys. Huh?
Good job, boys. I downed so many though. I didn't get no kills.
It's good. It's so good. It's a teamwork. You get them distracted.
Yeah. Yeah, it's all good. They took our helicopter though.
Enemy UAV
Yeah,
overhead.
nice, nice. Oh, I thought you you blew their helicopter.
they took it.
You took a helicopter. That's okay. Oh, is this first wave gonna be fast?
We got people over there.
You need to keep moving. Gonna be fast.
SMG located.
They're nice MG.
Good.
Disregard order. Losing ground.
Anyone want a
Enemy
machete?
UAV overhead.
Is that your loadout?
Nah.
Enemy dropping into the AO. Get the target practice while you can. We're deploying soon.
Target down!
Enemy soldier incoming.
Grenade out! Throwing stun!
Enemy soldier incoming. Warm up's done. Time to kick this off.
Where you going?
Bender, I'll pay you to buy. Bender, you need to buy. Does anyone need this? Mr.
Deploy out. Alright, soldier. Mark a drop point for you to have your contract.
Get to the chopper.
Gas closing in fast. Get to the safe zone.
Ow.
Anyone need this?
Enemy soldier incoming. Eliminating the targets in the AO. Set rally point. Setting rally point.
Body armor here.
Team in the house.
Teammate
Does
has
anyone
entered
need
the
this?
gulag. Surviving earns them redeployment. Teammate has entered the gulag. Surviving earns them redeployment. Bounty target has been marked. Kill him. teammate is redeploying. Stand by. Be advised, your teammate got their ass kicked. They're RTB at this time. Enemy UAV overhead.
Vendor here if you need equipment. Disregard last.
Oh, this.
Go by purple.
Gas is inbound.
Try to shoot you?
Or I'll be parachute malfunction.
I'm driving.
Where you going?
All right, passenger.
Purple AFK?
Enemy
You gotta
UAV
go.
overhead.
You loot in this area?
Uh-uh.
Assault rifle here.
Purple is not moving. Gonna get kicked out soon.
We're out of time. Scrub the contract.
Don't have enough for our Lodi, huh?
Located armor.
We have enough for loadout.
Vendor here.
Time to stop machine gun. Anyone use body armor?
I died over here. Yeah, right there.
Destination mark.
Someone in here?
I died in there.
Oh. Dropping money.
Plunder cash here. Does anyone need this?
Give your money green.
Not yet been marked. Killer. Armor's out. Target
other one, man.
Gas is closing. Get to the new safe zone.
Is he in the stone?
Bounty target is down. Well done.
Prime an AT mine. Sending tear gas. Move on my waypoint.
Supply box marked. Secure the package. Gas mask here. Objectives updated. Go to the next location.
Or orange. White rooftop.
Enemy UAV overhead. Objectives updated. Move to the next location.
A little bit.
Someone grab that.
Gas is closing in.
Who shot at us? Somebody shooting.
All supply boxes found. Solid work.
Mid-cal here. Anyone use body armor? Never mind. Marking waypoint coordinates.
We gotta go.
Gas gonna be fast.
We got somebody in front of us too.
Got contact.
Kill that.
He ran that way.
Marking waypoint coordinates.
That.
Yeah.
Enemy dropping into the
Side I'm
AO.
going to.
Dropping. Someone's dropping.
Threat.
They ain't gonna hear us now.
Eyes on target. Check your fire.
I'm gonna buy a UAV.
Gotta go. Gotta go.
Enemies in the area.
Rooftop, rooftop.
Yeah.
Gonna come down soon. Come on.
Let's head to that vehicle.
Oh, bullshit.
I'm driving. Enemy UAV overhead.
Car.
Sending tear gas.
Nice, nice.
Gas is inbound. Marking new safe zone. Enemy UAV overhead.
Oh, 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 oh.
Hostile maneuvering.
He's on the roof. He's on the roof. He's on the roof.
Enemies in the area.
Oh, we got one there. We got one that way. We got one there.
On my way.
He's sniping. Oh, he just can't hit me. So cold.
Win this fight and you
My
return
mic
to the
is
front
on
line.
mute. I
If
didn't
you
know
lose,
that.
You're done here. Time to earn your freedom, soldier. Grenade out! Grenade out!
What a bag.
Oh man.
He made.
Teammate has entered the gulag. Surviving earns them redeployment.
Try to loot in I guess still in Gulag.
Be
Oh,
advised,
shit.
Your teammate got their ass kicked. There are
He's
TC
really
with
evil,
this
bro.
time. You're the last one on your team. Finish the job.
I'll try to get down. I don't have money.
You've designated yourself as a most wanted target. Stay frosty.
Oh shit. U-turn.
Somebody's gonna snipe you soon.
Someone's BC sniping over there. At least I have a weapon.
Yeah.
Good parking right here.
Gas is inbound. Marking new safe zone.
12 seconds. I hope you have a
We
loadout.
gonna be. Is it gray?
Yeah. I'll follow you guys wherever you guys want to land.
Ground.
You need it?
You survived. Good job.
Oh, we can get a loadout
have no
actually.
land.
We can combine our money. You guys wanna go to buy station? Oh shit, what?
What happened?
I think it's AFK something. Oh, he's gone. Come on, Green. You wanna hop in? You guys wanna go to buy station? Or you see someone in there?
Oh!
Oh shit, what happened? C4? Oh, RPG. Yeah. Alright, GG guys.
Yeah, dude.